How to fix missing Facebook chat history on Android. This tutorial shows you how to restore your encrypted chats using the message storage settings in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device and tap the menu at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. From there, tap on Privacy and Safety to open the privacy settings. At this point, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats to open the encrypted chat settings. In the next step, tap on Message Storage to see your storage and sync options. Following this, tap on More Options and make sure Auto Sync is turned on so your chats are continuously backed up and synced across your devices. Once done, also make sure Pin Reminders is toggled on so you never lose access to your encrypted chats in the future. From here, if your chats are still missing, go back to the same page and tap on Reset Pin to create a brand new pin that you can easily remember. At this stage, keep in mind that whenever you open Messenger on a new device, it will ask you to enter this PIN. Simply enter it, and all your encrypted chat history will be synced and restored across all your devices automatically. Finally, once the PIN is set, go back to your chat list and give it a moment to fully sync, and your missing conversations should start appearing again. And that's it. If this guide helped you restore your missing chat history on Messenger on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.